Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily contact Robinhood customer service. So all you have to do is head over to Robinhood app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just head over and click on the profile icon that can be found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then next is just click on the three-line icon that can be found at the top left corner of your screen, and that will redirect you to the menu page. Then from menu, just scroll down until you see Robinhood support. Just click on it. To proceed, just click on Contact Support. This will redirect you to Robinhood's Contact Chat Support, and from there, you can send them a message or chat regarding your problem, issue, and concern. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!